The girl I sell her mouth from QQ, I sing better must come. And I know me can't see her where the bitch run down. Anybody can and them not have no funds. She friendly and dumb, she will do it for the fun.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl Couple Wet Wipes, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with another hair video. Before we get into this video, do not forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe, and if you want to be notified every time I post, do not forget to turn on your post notification button, or bell. I think it's bell. Post notification bell. So if you guys want to see me slay this hair from beginning to end, child, stay tuned to see the slayage. So in today's video, we're going to be installing a wig by ARABELLAHAIR. Big thank you to ARABELLAHAIR for this beautiful wig that comes in this lovely packaging. Not to mention, they throw in this cute little pink pouch that's filled with accessories that you can make use of. We have a headband, we have some cute lashes, we have a cute little hair clip. You can never have too many edge brushes because they always somehow get lost. I've seen companies that give freebies that, I'm not even gonna comment. So shout out to ARABELLAHAIR for giving freebies and accessories that you can actually use. Here is the chocolate brown wig, you guys. Love the wig, love the quality. This wig was 13 by 4 and also 22 inches long, which was pretty long on me. I don't know if it's because I'm like 5'2", 5'3", but I was pretty pleased that the hair was true to length. Not to mention, this lace quality is amazing. I really don't even think I had to bleach the knots, but y'all know my unnecessary ass went in off camera and bleached the knots. However, the way it's shown right now in the video as you guys are watching is the wig in its natural original state. As a reminder, if any of you guys are interested in this hair, y'all all know the information and all the links will be in the description box down below. I quickly went in and gave the hair some highlights. I don't want to do the whole thing on camera, y'all, because I don't want this video to be 10,000 minutes long. Afterwards, I went ahead and toned, washed, and conditioned the hair, and now I'm just blowing it out until it's mostly dry. So we want to grab our mousse and grab our hot comb and start working it in away from the hairline, getting rid of any flyaways. This method is just going to assure us that when we're ready to melt down or lay down our wigs, that only the lace is getting glued down and there's none of the hair from the wig getting mixed in with it as well, because things can get messy. This pushback method also helps for a better canvas when you're plucking. You can see what you're doing, it's nothing in your way, and you're not gonna accidentally pluck somewhere because something was in your way. There's no excuses, you get what I'm saying? So definitely, you guys, when you're installing your wig, make sure you get that hot comb and that mousse and just push all the flyaways out your way. But I'm out for now. I'll be back in a little, and I hope you guys enjoy my little plugging session.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you.
So here is the final plucked look. I felt like the sides were kind of uneven though. I felt like one side looked a little more natural while this side looked a little more, I don't know, it just needed a little more plucking. So I decided to go back in and just give it one last little touch up. And as you can see, this side now looks way more faded out and it doesn't look as harsh as it did 2 seconds ago, as you guys can see in the bottom left corner. It's all about being honest with yourself when you've made a mistake and not being afraid to go back in and get it right the second time. So now I'm gonna go in and flat iron the wig before putting it on my head, because as I always tell you guys, if you could just do everything on the mannequin before you put the wig on your head, it will make life 10 times easier, I promise you. All right, you guys, anyway, so the hair flat iron, That's what I go through when doing voiceover, y'all. But the hair flat ironed very well. After all that damn bleach, I expected to hear some cracking and some popping and some sizzling. But none of that, you guys. Just make sure after bleach you condition the hair very well and you should be fine.
Fuck your life! Bing bang!
What's up, baby? Take me out to dinner.
Hey!
You good like me? You good looking like me? You handsome like me?
As you guys can see, I'm adding a little foundation onto my lace just to tint it a bit and help it blend with my skin tone better. And because I did most of the styling of the wig on the mannequin head already, the wig is pretty much ready to wear. All I have to do is glue it down and style my baby hairs as desired. So before I glue the wig down, I want to make sure it fits my head and my hairline perfectly. So I'm just ripping out some of the front of the hairline because we don't want our wigs smack in the middle of our forehead. Yeah, we don't want to do that. I used to fucking do that, man. I was literally just so naive and new to the wig industry and just uninformed. In the same sense, I was also scared because, you know, who wants to put scissors on their wigs? Nobody want to do that. But what I've learned throughout the years is you cannot be scared to get creative and do whatever it takes to make your wig fit you and be comfortable for you. From here on out, everything is pretty much like self-explanatory, so you guys can just sit back and chill with me for like the next 5 minutes and I will be back to show you guys the end result.
trying to climb up my mountain. I want to play in the deep end, deep end, deep.
Shout out to Just Bree for doing my makeup. I look so cute. Let me get a thumbnail. It's gonna be like this. Guys, like I don't even want to take this makeup off right now. But I have to. It looks so beautiful, guys. This is so sad. And look how natural this beat is, y'all. Look how natural.